David Amiel, France's Minister of Public Action and Accounts, has officially stated that his country must break free and become less reliant on American tools like Microsoft Windows. This isn't a minor policy shift. It is a full-scale pivot to Linux OS across government systems. France's government digital agency Dynam is leading this charge, making the jump to open-source software that isn't controlled or designed by American firms like Microsoft or Apple. The technical reason for this system collapse of the Microsoft relationship is a total loss of control over data, infrastructure, and strategic decisions. Minister Amiel explicitly noted that France can no longer accept being dependent on solutions where they do not control the rules, pricing, or the inherent risks. This follows a major move earlier this month where France migrated its national healthcare database away from US-based providers to an unnamed new platform. The French government is also set to pivot from using Microsoft Teams for video conferencing, replacing it with a French-made tool called Visio across all departments. This is a professional failure for American tech giants who have treated the EU as a guaranteed market for decades. Currently, around 2/3 of the EU supports independence from US tech, and France is just following the lead of Denmark and parts of Germany, which announced similar departures from Microsoft products earlier this year. Politicians within the bloc, including European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and French President Emmanuel Macron, have been discussing this pivot in the interest of national security. They are tired of their strategic decisions being cooked by the pricing and evolution of tools they have zero say in. I personally find it a failure of big tech that their tools have become so restrictive and invasive that entire nations are forced to treat them as a security risk. It helps the friend watching this to realize that if a world power doesn't trust these American tools with their data, you probably shouldn't either. The infrastructure of relying on a single company for your OS, your database, and your video calls is a house of cards that France is finally knocking down. Big tech is clowning us by pretending their tools are necessary for progress, but France is proving that breaking free is the only way to actually control your own data. This move to Linux is a direct response to the risks of American-designed solutions. Are you going to follow France's lead and move to Linux? Or are you okay with Microsoft controlling the rules and risks of your digital life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more investigative uploads.